Hello everyone. Welcome back. Last meeting, we already discussed about the first two theorems in inequalities in one triangle, the triangle inequality theorem and angle-side relationship theorem. Today, we will discuss about the third theorem in inequalities in one triangle, particularly the exterior angle inequality theorem. Let us define first exterior angle, adjacent interior angle, and remote interior angles, as we can use these concepts in our lesson. So, when we say exterior angle of a polygon, it is an angle that forms a linear pair with one of the interior angles of the polygon. In a triangle, there are three exterior angles formed when a triangle side is extended. Adjacent interior angle is the angle that forms a linear pair with its exterior angle. Remote interior angles are the remaining two angles in a triangle that are not adjacent to the indicated exterior angle. In Figure 1, the exterior angle of the triangle is angle 4, whereas its adjacent interior angle is angle 1. The remote interior angles or non-adjacent interior angles are angle 2 and angle 3. For example, use the figure below to answer the following. Number 1. Name the interior angles. The interior angles are angle A, angle B, and angle C. Number 2. Name the exterior angles. The exterior angles are angle D, angle E, and angle F. Number 3. Name the adjacent interior angle of angle D. Answer, angle C. Number 4. Name the two remote interior angles of angle D. Answer, angle A and angle B. Number 5. Name the adjacent interior angle of angle E. Answer, angle B. Number 6. Name the two remote interior angles of angle E. Answer, angle A, angle C. Number 7. Name the adjacent interior angle of angle F. Answer, angle A. Number 8. Name the two remote interior angles of angle F. Answer, angle B and angle C. The exterior angle inequality theorem states that the measure of each exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the measures of its two remote interior angles. Using Figure 1, measure of angle 4 equals measure of angle 2 plus measure of angle 3. This explains that an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than either of the remote interior angles or non-adjacent interior angles. Using Figure 1, measure of angle 4 is greater than measure of angle 2 and measure of angle 4 is greater than measure of angle 3. Example 2. Use the exterior angle inequality theorem to write inequalities that can be observed in the figures. Fill in each box with greater than, less than, or equal to compare the measures of angles. In Figure A, given the measure of angle R, E, A, which is 118 degree and angle E, R, A, which is 35 degree. Angle C, A, R's exterior angle, its measure is equal to sum of the remote interior angles, angle R, E, A, and angle E, R, A. So, measure of angle C, A, R is 118 degree plus 35 degree equals 153 degree. Angle E, A, R and angle C, A, R are supplementary because they form a linear pair. Their sum is 180 degree. So, angle E, A, R is 180 minus 153 equals 27 degree. Again, measure of angle E, A, R is 27 degree and measure of exterior angle C, A, R is 153 degree. Now, let us answer the following. Measure of angle E, A, R blank measure of angle E, R, A. The answer is less than. Because measure of angle E, A, R is 27 degree while measure of angle E, R, A is 35 degree. Next, measure of angle R, E, a blank measure of angle C, A, R. The answer is also less than. Because measure of angle R, E, A is 118 degree while measure of angle C, A, R is 153 degree. Next, measure of angle R, A, C blank 118 degree. The answer is greater than. Because measure of angle R, A, C is 153 degree. Next, measure of angle A, R, E blank measure of angle R, A, E. The answer is also greater than. Because measure of angle A, R, E is 35 degree, while measure of angle R, A, E is 27 degree. Next, measure of angle C, A, R blank 153 degree. The answer is equal. Because measure of angle C, A, R is 153 degree. In figure B, given the measure of angle A, H, M which is 51 degree and angle H, A, M which is 83 degree. Angle H, A, M and angle M, A, T are supplementary because they form a linear pair. Their sum is 180 degree. So, angle M, A, T is 180 minus 83 equals 97 degree. Angle M, A, T is the exterior angle, its measure is equal to sum of the remote interior angles, angle A, H, M and angle A, M, H. So, measure of angle A, M, H is 97 degree minus 51 degree equals 46 degree. Again, measure of angle A, M, H is 46 degree and measure of exterior angle M, A, T is 97 degree. Now, let us answer the following. Measure of angle H, A, M blank measure of angle H, A, T. The answer is less than. Because measure of angle H, A, M is 83 degree while measure of angle H, A, T is 180 degree. Next, measure of angle M, H, A, blank measure of angle A, M, H. The answer is greater than. Because measure of angle M, H, A is 51 degree while measure of angle A, M, H is 46 degree. Next, measure of angle A, M, H plus measure of angle M, H, A, is blank measure of angle H, A, T. The answer is less than. Because measure of angle A, M, H plus measure of angle M, H, A equals 97 degree while measure of angle H, A, T is 180 degree. Next, measure of angle A, H, M plus measure of angle H, M, A, is blank 97 degree. The answer is equal. Because measure of angle A, H, M plus measure of angle H, M, A equals 97 degree. Next, measure of angle H, M a blank 46 degree. The answer is also equal. Because measure of angle H, M, A is 46 degree. Let's proceed to example 3. Use the figure below to answer the following. Number 1. If measure of angle 1 is equal to 61 degree and measure of angle 2 is equal to 48 degree, what is measure of angle 4? Applying the exterior angle inequality theorem, the answer is 109 degree. Number 2. If measure of angle 4 is equal to 115 degree and measure of angle 2 is equal to 42 degree, what is measure of angle 1? The answer is 73 degree. Number 3. If measure of angle 1 is equal to 72 degree and measure of angle 2 is equal to 29 degree, what is measure of angle 4? The answer is 101 degree. Number 4. If measure of angle 3 is equal to 63 degree, what is measure of angle 4? Applying the linear pair theorem, angle 4 is equal to 117 degree. Number 5. If measure of angle 4 is equal to 126 degree, what is measure of angle 3? The answer is 54 degree. Let's proceed to example 4. Solve for the measure of the angle denoted by x, in the triangle, given the measure of angle U, V, T equals 50 degree, measure of angle U, T, P equals 115 degree, what is the value of x? Solution. Measure of angle V, U, T equals x. Applying the exterior angle inequality theorem, our equation is, measure of angle U, T, P equals measure of angle V, U, T plus measure of angle U, V, T. By substitution, 115 degree equals x plus 50 degree. By addition property of equality, add both sides, by negative 50. We have, 115 degree minus 50 degree equals x plus 50 degree plus negative 50 degree. Then, simplify. 65 degree equals x. By symmetric property of equality, x equals 65 degree. Therefore, the measure of the angle, denoted by x, is 65 degrees. Last example. Find the values of x and y in the following triangle. Given, the measure of angle h, A, t equals 81 degrees, measure of angle E, H, A equals 43 degrees, find the values of x and y. Solution. By exterior angle inequality theorem, the sum of the remote interior angles equals exterior angle. Our equation is, measure of angle E, H, A, plus measure of angle A, E, H equals measure of angle H, A, T. By substitution, 43 degrees plus y equals 81 degrees. Addition property of equality, add both sides by negative 43. We have 43 degrees plus negative 43 degrees plus y equals 81 degrees plus negative 43 degrees. By simplifying, y equals 38 degrees. Next, we know that the sum of the adjacent interior angle and exterior angle equals 180 degrees. So, measure of angle E, A, H plus measure of angle H, A, T equals 180 degrees. By substitution, x plus 81 degrees equals 180 degrees. By addition property of equality, add both sides by negative 81. We have x plus 81 degrees plus negative 81 degrees equals 180 degrees plus negative 81 degrees. Then simplify. X equals 99 degrees. Therefore the values of x and y are 38 degrees and 99 degrees respectively. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy and learn. Thank you and goodbye. See you next time. Stay safe.